What if I told you that 2024 could be the year you finally take control of your financial future? The year you stop dreaming and start earning more without quitting your job. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Not all side hustles are created equal. Some will steal your time, drain your energy, and barely add a penny to your wallet. Others, they could be the game changer that sets you on the path to wealth. Hi, and welcome back again to Green Gains. So today we're diving into the top 5 side hustles that actually pay off in 2024. Plus, I'll reveal the exact questions you need to ask before committing to any hustle. And here's the kicker, how to juggle it all without burning out. Spoiler alert, if you think selling your old socks online is the ticket to wealth, well, let's just say, think again. Stick around until the end, because I'll share one side hustle that's not only lucrative but also scalable into a full-time business if you play your cards right. Let's cut straight to the chase. What are the top side hustles for 2024? Here's what's making waves this year. 1. Freelancing your skills. Whether you're great at writing, graphic design, coding, or even managing social media, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are a goldmine. Companies are hiring freelancers for short-term projects, and the pay can be impressive. Think $20 to $100 an hour, depending on your expertise. 2. Reselling goods online. Thrifting is no longer just for fun. People are flipping thrift store finds or clearance items from big box stores on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. In 2024, with sustainable shopping trends on the rise, this hustle isn't just profitable, it's in demand. 3. Ride-sharing and delivery services. Driving for Uber, Lyft, or delivering food with DoorDash and Instacart remains a solid choice. Flexible hours, quick payouts, but be mindful of vehicle wear and tear. 5. Online tutoring and course creation. Are you good at math, languages, or even playing the guitar? Online tutoring on platforms like Chegg or creating courses on Udemy can earn you passive income while sharing your expertise. 5. Content creation and influencing. Here's the side hustle everyone's talking about, content creation. You don't need millions of followers to earn. Micro-influencers are cashing in through sponsorships and ad revenue. Got a passion or hobby? Share it online. Okay, be honest. Did you already start Googling one of these? Hold that thought, because the next part will save you from picking the wrong hustle. Here's where most people mess up. They dive headfirst into a side hustle without asking themselves one critical question: is this worth my time? Here's how to find out. 1. Calculate your hourly rate. If you're spending 5 hours a week on a hustle that only nets you $50, is it really worth it? Your time is your most valuable asset. Aim for side hustles that earn you at least $20 an hour, or ones with high growth potential. 3. Consider the learning curve. Ask yourself, how much time will it take to get good at this? Learning a new skill, like coding or video editing, can be worthwhile, but only if you're willing to invest up front. 3. Scalability matters. A side hustle that grows with you is key. Freelancing, tutoring, or content creation can evolve into full-fledged businesses. Gig work like delivery? Not so much. And speaking of balance, how do you manage a side hustle without burning out or sacrificing your main job? The answer might surprise you. Let's talk about the juggling act. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can feel like walking a tightrope, but here's how you do it without losing your mind or your paycheck. 1. Time blocking is your best friend. Dedicate specific hours to your side hustle. Whether it's an hour after work or your Saturday mornings, having a schedule keeps you focused and productive. 2. Set boundaries. Don't let your side hustle bleed into your 9-to-5. Keep your priorities clear to maintain your main income stream while growing your extra one. 3. Leverage automation and outsourcing. Apps and tools can save you hours. Automate repetitive tasks or even outsource small jobs. Think of it as investing in your hustle's growth. 5. Prioritize rest and self-care. Remember, burnout is real. Schedule downtime to recharge, because no hustle is worth sacrificing your health. And no, skipping sleep entirely isn't the answer. unless you're planning to audition for a zombie movie. Now, before you start planning your side hustle empire, there's one more thing you need to know: the difference between smart financial decisions and costly mistakes. Ready to start building your side hustle? Great. But don't stop there. Your financial future depends on smart decisions across the board. If you're torn between renting and buying a home, click on this video to make the right financial move. Because every decision you make brings you closer to living the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Don't wait. Watch now.